Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on LCX. But before I get started, please click the like and subscribe button as it helps this channel grow very quickly. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about LCX. I'm going to start with this. Still hoping for XRP and LCX. You see Monty Mensker there with Brad Garlinghouse. A lot of people get bullish when they see that. This is why Wall Street banks are scared shitless of LCX. Bitcoin ETF, the very key for cryptocurrency to enter the stock exchange market. So let's take a look at an ETF. Bitcoin has been ruling the crypto industry for years now. Very recently, it also entered the stock exchange market. This was made possible due to the Bitcoin ETF. It is a decent way for the contemporary investors and traders to gain exposure to the Bitcoin price through a trusted and familiar medium. So if we brought Bitcoin into the stock market, I'm just going to look at the advantages and disadvantages. So the convenience, an ETF does not necessitate learning how to open accounts or crypto exchanges or how to use a cryptocurrency wallet. Users do not directly own Bitcoin, gaining price exposure without asset ownership through investment vehicles and tax rules that they're familiar with. Portfolio diversification. An ETF may hold multiple assets as part of the fund, such as Bitcoin-related stocks, actual Bitcoins, and other assets, even if it is only Bitcoin. Investors gain the ability to diversify their traditional market portfolios. But there's some disadvantages also. Fees. Management fees are frequently buried in ETFs, meaning that a portfolio of the funds in the pool will pay the company/people managing the fund rather than investments. There's no actual Bitcoin ownership because holders of Bitcoin ETF do not own the asset and instead gain price exposure. They cannot be exchanged for many other cryptocurrencies. More stringent trading hours. Although cryptocurrency can be bought and sold 24 hours a day, many stock exchanges like NICE are only open Monday through Friday from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. So if there's a significant movement in cryptocurrency, most likely you're going to miss out. Think about it. The exchange is closed and it's, say, midnight, and Bitcoin is taking off. You want to sell and get some value on it. But then say you wake back up in the morning right as the exchange is opening and now it tanked out. You can miss out on a lot of gains, but you don't actually own Bitcoin either. But this is scary because it allows Bitcoin to enter the stock exchange, and LCX understands that. So fully audited, LCX is audited by Grant Thornton Liechtenstein, a top-notch audit and consulting firm with the world's best auditing services. LCX is set to position itself as a global retail exchange. It's going to continue to get bigger and bigger. LCX token will also gain value. LCX DeFi Terminal, Fire Salamander product update. So let's take a look at this. DeFi Terminal, aka Fire Salamander. The most advanced DeFi LCX platform just got better. The multi-wallet integration in Project Fire Salamander was made available to the public on August 18th of this year. Since the launch, we have conducted rigorous testing, including security and scalability checks. Thousands of users have signed up to the platform, submitted limited orders, and provided us with suggestions for enhancements. The wallets that are integrated: Formatic, Wallet Connect, Coinbase, and Portis. The benefits of multi-wallet integration for users are fast and smooth transactions, ease of use, saves time, secure. Key features of the DeFi terminal: limited orders, live charts, multi-wallet, DeFi analytics, real-time market data, liquidity pool management, cryptocurrency portfolio balance dashboard. Again, LCX continues to improve, make their technology even better, improving all the time. And we see this. Smaller market cap means more chance for 100 to 1000x. Also, in comparison to price, your chances of getting financial freedom, unless you're rich already and can get X amount of QNT, is much higher with LCX. They are partners, and LCX will win with QNT. In other words, what people look at here is this. You could go out and buy one QNT. You could buy probably right now, what, 200 LCX, maybe more. Maybe my math is off a little bit. It's been a long day. But people always have to see how much crypto they can get. Like, think about it like this, okay? You have $100. You could buy almost one whole QNT, or you could buy a lot more LCX. At some point, LCX can easily do 100x, maybe more. But QNT can also get 1000x. A lot of people believe that's what's coming for QNT. You just got to figure out what you can afford to lose. And that's what you want to put into the market. But diversify. Don't just buy all QNT, or don't buy all LCX either. Spread it around. Buy a little bit of each of these cryptocurrencies. That's how you grow wealth. Because you could stake here, get more crypto. You could get passive income for your crypto. You could put your crypto to work while you stay home and enjoy freedom to do whatever you want all day. That's the things you got to look forward to. LCX is already compliant with all the MiCA regulations too. One of the significant regulations that the EU plans to execute soon is MiCA. MiCA will protect consumers from many risks associated with an investment in crypto assets and assist them in avoiding fraudulent schemes. Consumers currently have minimal rights to safeguard and recourse, mainly when transactions occur outside of the EU. With the commencement of the new rules, crypto asset service providers will be required to meet stringent requirements in order to protect consumers' wallets and become liable if they misplace investors' crypto assets. MiCA will also protect consumers from market abuse involving any transaction or service, particularly price manipulation and inside trading. That's coming to crypto, all crypto soon. Certain cryptos will not meet those regulations. Some cryptos out there are a blatant rug pull waiting to happen. Others aren't green. Others have no use case or utility. I believe when cryptocurrencies start disappearing, people will then understand the importance of utility, the importance of use case, how it's used in the real world, how it already went through a lot of these rigorous, regulations that are coming. And exchanges are no different. A lot of people get mad about exchanges because you have delistings, suspensions of crypto, while your money is tied up in there. I'd rather use a regulated exchange than an unregulated exchange. And then we see this. Crypto regulations are around the corner, and everybody knows this is coming. You need to make the right investments today. XRP isn't the only crypto at the World Economic Forum Davos meeting. LCX and Monty Mensker is a board member as well. When we seen this picture, a lot of people believe that's why the SEC went after LCX. And again, we're going to see LCX get bigger and bigger as time goes on. I can see it coming. Screenshot right off the World Economic Forum website. QNT partners with LCX to advance CBDC implementation. LCX is the top of our list. And that's the thing. Any crypto that is tied to the World Economic Forum right now is the crypto that you want to buy. Even if you don't agree with the World Economic Forum, at least buy the crypto. Get rich off of it. These are the cryptos that are really going to take off in price. You could see how all of this is falling in line throughout the whole entire world. CBDCs are coming whether we like it or not. Digital IDs will follow. You might as well be rich. QNT, LCX, World Economic Forum chosen, can't lose. If you're of the belief that QNT is going to 10 to 50K per token, then naturally you must also know that LCX is a $10 to $50 token. A lot of people believe we could hit $50 with LCX. I keep seeing that number popping up a lot lately. I'm not saying it's going to get there, but I do believe it will hit 20 in the short term. Think beyond price. Think of future growth. QNT will connect trillions in the economic value /day. DAG will validate exabytes of data by day. LCX will tokenize trillions in asset value. ALBT will do $50 billion in transaction volume on Alliance block. That's what you need to look at. These are the use cases and utilities behind these tokens. This is what they're built to do. That's where all of the value is going to come from. I believe we're headed into a utility run very soon. You see everyone talking about utility and use case all over Twitter. People now understand where they should be investing their money. They got smarter with it. With that said, I'm going to wrap up today's video. I want to thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.